So diggity 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 hey, diggity 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 hey, diggity
Okay,
diggity
let's go.
diggity diggity hey, diggity 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 hey.
Let's go. Okay, go, 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 go. Go!
In this car, you don't exist.
Raining.
Don't tell me what to do when you lose your keys and you
Raining. We came
crash
from that way.
into.
See? See?
In this life, I don't exist. Don't tell me what to do. You look pretty young for someone with a PhD. Are you really my dad? You're old.
Whew. It's raining. Hi guys. We are walking under the rain because we need to go home, and then we talk already like 2 hours waiting for the rain to stop. It didn't stop, so we need to go walk under the rain and go straight to the house of my eldest big brother to eat fiesta. We need to eat because it's a fiesta spiras here, and also a birthday to my niece Alexa and nephew PJ. So that's why I bring my friends here with me.